Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you love sausages? Then this video is for you. Today we'll be making corn dog. Yes, corn dog. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video and share it. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notifications from me when I post new videos. So with all my ingredients on display, first I'll be adding flour into a bowl. Add corn flour, sugar, baking powder, salt and pepper. So this is the sausage already cut into smaller pieces. Mix the dry ingredients together and make your wet ingredient, which is milk and egg. Stir it together and add it to the dry ingredients. That will serve as water, so you don't need water in this video. Mix everything together and make sure the batter is lump free. Then leave it to relax for 2 minutes before use. Eat groundnut oil enough to deep fry the corn dogs. And make sure it is very hot before frying the corn dogs in the oil. So in this video I used toothpicks because I forgot to get skewers. So if you use skewers, it will make the dipping very easy and it will make the corn dog come out with a very nice shape. So what you have to do is rub the sausage with flour. The flour shouldn't be too much, as seen in the video. Then you dip it in the batter. Please make sure you transfer the batter in a cup to make it easy. Repeat the process and fry on low heat. And your corn dog is ready. Join us again next time for amazing videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye.